It's New Year's Day 2025, and I've had this washer since 2012, so it's 12 years. Never had a single problem, and all of a sudden, boom, it's dead. I do smell like burnt electronics. So let's tear this thing apart and see what's wrong with it. So back here where the washer plugs in, you can see this green light. That means that the actual GFCI or GFI circuit is still working. I'm gonna reset it anyway. Let's see, there we go. Pop it, see the light goes off. So we know that we're getting power to the outlet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold down the power button while I plug it in. Okay, so I'm not getting any reset. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this top off and check the control board. It's possible we blew a fuse. I guess that would be the next thing to check. Oh man, I forgot how heavy this thing is. There we go, just had to break it loose. Yep. Shit. There we go. Oh. So the control board is over here. These are all electronic valves that open and close different water. Whew. But the smell is coming from over here. You can see where this whole thing slides to the left and then comes right out. Oops. Oh, there it goes. So it slides to the left first and then slides up. And then out. Okay, good. There's a lot of wires on it. This is some kind of electronic diaphragm. This is interesting that this tie is here to like prevent the cables from falling out. It's kind of weird. Okay, this. I've never seen something completely encased like this before. The dryer is just completely exposed. Okay, so these little snaps here, there's 3 right here. There's 1 right here, and it feels like there's just 2 in the back. One thing I'm noticing is that this circuit board is actually encased in epoxy. So there's no getting this circuit board out. There's no fixing the circuit board. It's designed to not be repaired. So the good news is there's a part number right here. So I'm gonna look this part number up and see how much a new one of these costs. All right, here is the part number. This is critical if you wanna get the right thing. There's a bunch of other parts that have different numbers right here. Okay, so we ordered the new control board. It is, because this washer is 12 years old, it's no longer available from LG. However, there's used parts on eBay. Found one, same day shipping. Now we'll just get this back and then wait for the part to arrive. All right, a few days later and the new part came in. This was a used one out of a working unit, so hopefully it works. I made sure that it had a return possible. So now I just gotta bring all this back out. It looks like this will be reused, this cover here. Each one of these has a little clip on it. You can see that when you pull right here and it comes up. If you've been watching other videos, these are the best pliers I've ever bought. I bought these when my air conditioner broke. These are 1,000-volt rated electrical pliers. Still use these all the time and recommend them. All right, so just to show you what I did there, right here, that's the lock, and then you pull up. So it's gonna be the same pretty much for all these. All right, better angle. You can watch the surgeon at work here. I'm just gonna gently push right here, and then pull. You can see it comes right out. When you do it right, it comes right out. If you're doing it wrong, it's gonna be hard. And you don't want to actually break any of these connectors. except so I'm doing something wrong here. It wants to come out. Come on out. Play with these other ones. There we go. Again, I just push right here, and that loosens it. Okay, I think that's all of them. Wait, did I miss one? I missed all these over here. How did I miss these? There we go. I had to wiggle that one. So thankfully, didn't damage anything. Because if I did, then there's no turning back. All right, I'm going to try to keep these configurations in the same place. It's okay, it's not going anywhere. Let's hope this works. Okay. These are giant connectors. So many controls. Crazy. Like this. Down in here, you've got these 4 guide things that have to go back on their holes. So, let's see if I can get that back. This now needs to go down and that way. So, this is a tight fit, man. Okay, did you hear that? That went down. Now I gotta push it. There it goes. Now it's locked in. Oh, now it's really locked in. See that little pin right there? That goes on here and like pivots under here. See that? And then you just pop a screw and then it stays in. Let's get this back on. We should turn the speed down on this thing. Got it up a little high. Oh, that's better. So that's tying this down. All right. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. All right, now that I'm all hot, moment of truth. We just replaced the entire circuit board of this thing, moved it back. Is it fixed? Yes. Thank you, Lord. Does it work? Let's actually... Yeah, I know. Watch it not work. Just gonna do a little test load and see if it works. It's a good sign. It's draining all the water that was in it when it died. I'm just hoping to not see any errors, you know. We're good. And just like that, we have a working washer again. In terms of difficulty, I put this at a 1 out of 5. Definitely doable. Hopefully this was helpful, and we'll catch you next time.